What if our love towards environment has the same level of our love to our loved ones?
Yes.
Now, when they die, we felt in deep sorrow, we felt the pain. From the regions, we have so many environmental problems na hindi nato na-discuss every day.
Yes.
Because numb na, or I mean, wala na paki ang tao because usual na eh. And they normalized that. But I have to find new ways for me to introduce that same topic, but in a fresh ways, diba? In a fresh ways. I really find an avenue for me to humanize our environment. So I just connected it collectively. And as much as I want to, I don't really want the film to sound preachy. Kasi talking climate, talking about it, sometimes it can get very political. Other people will not listen to you because they believe that development is a must. But I have to find ways in order for me not to sound preachy, but at the same time, I help them realize what we are losing. And ano pa yung kaya nating protektahan.